Guys, today Nnamdi Kanu appeared in court and he had a lot of things to say, and I would love you guys to take your time and go through this video because he was making a point. He even went to the point that he was angry and was fuming and saying that this country or the court don't even know the law. That's why they cannot act according to the law. Just watch this video to the end and then you can air your views in the comment section. Let me like guys to enjoy this video. Like I watch to the end and you air your views in the comment section.
Of Nigeria, chairman of board of benchers. An old man like this doesn't know the law. You don't know the law.
I'll give the petition.
I have petition against her. Nonsense. Nonsense. Why is it when it comes to my case, they turn the law upside down? They turn the law upside down. Upside down. Upside down. The rule. Who are not educated. I am an educated man. I can't show them the petition for the simple reason that if you show it,
what the judge said was that the case file.
Listen, this is the laws of Nigeria. The prosecution, and this court doesn't know the law. That is the fact.
Yes.
Poor knowledge of the law is killing Nigeria. Poor knowledge of the law, they don't know the law. This is a federal gazetted law of Nigeria that says here that the chief judge of Nigeria cannot tell Binta Nyeko what to do. It's here. It's your law. Just obey it. That is why I do what I do. I agitate for Biafra. I agitate for Biafra by right to agitate. My right. They turned it from treasonable felony now to terrorism. Stop talking when I'm talking. They told them that if they convict me, this is what happens. You can see it. They don't want the truth to come out. Nobody wants the truth to come out. Nobody wants the truth to come out of it. In a corrupt society, that's what happens. They are very, very corrupt. There is a breach of judicial oath. They have violated the judicial oath. They have shown bias according to Supreme Court. They are biased against me. Supreme Court said so. And that is why what is happening in the judgments and rulings concerning me has been happening. So, disobedience to superior court orders. Supreme Court said you are biased. You are against this man. You should not have revoked his bail. Nigerian went to Kenya and kidnapped him. These things are in the public domain. Why, therefore, are they insisting on trying me? A court order was entered. In that very court order, it was said very clearly and succinctly that he is no more. No. That he is no more going to try me. Why are they insisting? Why are they insisting? I ask. You have made your point. Because they have no case against me. They have no case against me, and they know it.
You have adjourned the case synodized. What's the way forward?
Well, there's no way this case could have gone on anywhere. Because in the first place, the court had lost jurisdiction to sit over this case since September last year. So we came here today on a limited appearance. We appeared under protest out of utmost respect for the judge and for the court, to listen to the court as to the reasons why we were invited before the same court that was recused in September last year. Nigerian public needs to understand the nature of a recusal. A recusal comes as a court order, and even non-lawyers are aware that once an order of court is made, the only way you can sit to the side is to take it on appeal. Nobody appealed this order. The order is extant and subsisting, is still valid, and we were invited today to be informed about some memo from the chief judge that we don't even have a copy of the memo. So our submission on the record is that the court stands recused until that order is set aside.
No, sir. The judge, Justice Peter Nyako, has adjourned this case. What is the implication for your plan?
Well, Senator is a word about for indefinite adjournment. So she has no business. The court, like I said before, even having the case before her today. So adjourning it, sine die or not, really, it doesn't apply. But remember that we had requested this adjournment sine die last year, but it wasn't granted.
So what happens next?
Well, it's up to the judiciary and the federal government. We are not the prosecutor, we are the defense. You throw the ball to us and we catch the ball. We cannot reinstitute the case. Let them do the right thing. Our client recused the judge and the judge consented to the recusal through a coroner. So we await the day that this case will be recalendared before a new judge to try it. We are not afraid of trial, but we are afraid of injustice.
How do you react to this development?
We'll wait until the court sits, then we'll find out where we're here. Right now, we don't.
Yeah, that's correct. We don't believe that it's a
I'm not even sure that it's your lordship, Bintan Yakoda, will be presiding today, because she has excused herself.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
The level of injustice in Nigeria is alarming, because how can they be trying Nnamdi Kanu in court despite Supreme Court giving an order that Nnamdi Kanu should not be tried again in court? That is how this our government or our country, the courts don't even follow the laws anymore. Imagine the court that meant to protect the law are the one going against the law. Because Kanu just stated the main reasons why he should not be tried. And again, the government insisted on Bintanyako being the judge of that case. Despite Kanu saying that he doesn't want Bintanyako to be his judge because of some personal reasons, which he have told us before, that Bintanyako's husband is being held by the government because of some criminal charges. So they might use his husband to go against justice. Like the lawyer said, that they are not afraid of trial, but they're afraid of injustice. Is alarming in our country, Nigeria. The level of injustice in Nigeria is alarming. That's why Nnamdi Kanu is fuming that video just saw. He's very angry. He appeared in court today. But I also bring to you guys all the way the trial entails, what happens in the court, because right now nothing is yet to happen. This is just his arrival, and he was angry about how the judge or the court is treating him, because the level of injustice is alarming. So that's why he's fuming out and is calling out everybody to know what is happening in the court and also in our country, Nigeria. So I'd like guys to hear your views in the comment section. But if you've watched, I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned, guys.